Hey adventurers! Welcome to TikTok Answers. Considering a solo trip? Here's your guide to make it safe and memorable. Let's dive in. Solo travel offers self-discovery and empowerment. But remember, you're your own guide and protector. Let's discuss the keys to a successful journey. Before jetting off, research your destination. Know the local customs and laws. For instance, in Thailand, touching someone's head is a no-no. In Singapore, chewing gum can cost you $500. Always have digital and printed copies of important documents. If English isn't the primary language, a list of basic phrases can be crucial. Budgeting. Be strategic with your money. Plan for accommodations, transport, meals, and activities. Seek affordable options like hostels and flight deals. A solid budget lets you explore without financial stress. Packing. Pack light and smart. Opt for versatile clothing. Essentials. Universal adapter, portable charger, and a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and keeps you hydrated. Navigation. Use tech for navigation. Download offline maps and translation apps. Get a local SIM or portable Wi-Fi. Trust your gut and be cautious about sharing plans. Avoid risky areas and stick to popular routes. Embrace local customs. Learn some local language phrases and dress appropriately, especially at religious places. In India, take off your shoes before entering homes or temples, as a gesture of respect. Engaging with locals. Connect deeply by using services like couchsurfing. Staying with locals offers first-hand insights. We've got links in the description to help. Wrapping up, solo trips are about discovery and stepping out of your comfort zone. Stay open, adaptable, and safe. Enjoyed these insights? Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Keep exploring until next time.